Hello and welcome to my blog. I bet you have searched for how to make money online at some point. Well, if you did, you're in luck. Sometimes a 9-to-5 job can get so exhausting, you begin to get bored and start to worry about retirement, unending expenses and wants that make you wish you had some extra stash of cash to fall back on. I have been there, but I also found a solution. Technology is advancing by the minute, taking away more jobs and putting everyone at the risk of more intensive competition for decent pay and other resources. To avoid being caught unaware or getting stuck in a trap of just one stream of income, you should definitely take advantage of the opportunities on the internet. I have put together a list of income opportunities where you can make some bucks sitting in your chair at home and tapping on your keyboard. I have been an active internet marketer for over 6 years, with a following of over 23,800 on LinkedIn, and I have analyzed numerous internet marketing programs that can boost your finances. In my blog, I will be sharing effective programs that anyone with little or no internet marketing skills can thrive without losing money. Many internet programs promise you the world, but in reality, you have to put in some work and be willing to approach it with a will to achieve success. Not everyone can be a professional marketer, but these programs are tailored to give everyone a chance at succeeding. I will keep updating the list as new opportunities become available. If you have any questions about the programs in the list I've compiled, you could send me an email, frank.fladenet@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to browse through the affiliate programs. Also, enjoy great content on some very interesting topics that will literally improve your life. So, what are you waiting for? Visit frankfladenet.com.